All right, ladies and gentlemen, today let's learn about mortgages, right? What is the history of mortgages? What are we looking at today? Experts believe that mortgage rates are still supposed to go up, and they're expecting that this year they'll end anywhere from 5 to 7%, right? Hopefully it doesn't go that high, but we were just much lower and now we're much higher. At the end of the day, a 30-year fixed rate mortgage as it stands today is lingering around 5.42%. Now, when did mortgages really start in the US economy? They started around the 1930s because insurance companies decided to lend money, right? And to take advantage of borrowers during the Great Depression. And basically, if a borrower failed to make payment, they could take back the notes and they could gain ownership of the property. So no matter what, you got to make your payment. Which brings me to my next topic on mortgages. Mortgages came from an old French law term, right? Meaning death pledge, right? Mort, death, gage, pledge, death pledge. So that means upon the ending of a mortgage, right, it is forgiven. Now, is mortgage forgiven at death? No, a mortgage is not forgiven at death, because when a person dies and leaves a mortgage behind, either their spouse has to pick up the mortgage or their family members can take over the mortgage, or the house can be taken back and paid for, sold, and the bank will recoup their money. So at the end of the day, I think that mortgage is a great way to leverage yourself, but you have to know what you're up against, right? So if you're ready to take the next step, right now they're at 5.4%. The lowest they ever have been in history was 2.68%, which is 2020, which is our lifetime. Pretty cool, if anybody got low interest rate mortgages like myself, that was awesome. Hopefully we get to see that again. If you follow all the way down of the description, you're going to be able to see the last 30-year mortgage rate averages, and they started tracking it around 1970. And mortgages, 30-year fixed rate mortgages, really became popular around the 1950s, and adjustable rate mortgages became popular probably in the 1980s. Anyway, my name is Dave. If you're ready to take the next step and you're ready to become a homeowner, investor, and you're ready to leverage mortgages in order to move your financial status ahead, in order to be able to acquire real estate, to work with the best lenders, follow the links below. We'll be able to help you out, or you know who to call.